Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. On today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can clip a Cat6 network cable easily and very fast. Basically what you need when clipping a Cat6 cable is your clipping tool, and your clipping tool usually comes with a trimmer. I call it cutter. Now you also need a LAN tester. You need a LAN tester and you need connectors, Rj45 connectors. Now let's get started. Let me show you on how you can clip Cat6 network cable very fast and easy. First, use your trimmer, trim out the insulator. You trim out the insulator this way. Your color cables, bring it down. Bring it down. Bring it down. Then cut out the insulator separator. This is called the insulator separator. You cut it out. After cutting out the insulator separator, now you arrange your cables according to their color code and their performance. You arrange your color cables according to their color codes and their performance. First, your stripe orange. Bring out your stripe orange. Then your orange. Your stripe orange is the color 1. Your orange is the color 2. Your stripe green. Your stripe green is your color 3, and it is used for crossover connections. Followed by your stripe green. Then your blue. Your blue is your color 4. Blue is your color 4. Blue is your color 4. Then your stripe blue is your color 5. Your stripe blue is your color 5. Then followed by your green for your crossover. Your color green is your number 6. Then followed by your stripe brown. Your stripe brown is usually used for also customer terminations of their connections. Your stripe brown, then followed by your brown, the brown color. Make sure it's very straight and neat, and make sure the cables are well arranged according to their colors. You see it? You see it? This way. Your connector facing down. Your connector should be facing down this way, not this way. Not this way, but this way. This way, facing this way, not this way, facing this way. You can see. Connector. Use your clipping tool. You clip it. You can see it's not pulling out. You do the same thing at the other end of the cable. Your trimmer, use it to cut out the insulator, and careful when cutting out your insulator not to injure the color cables that are inside the insulator. because any cable that is injured, your data will not transmit properly, or your cable might not even work. So when cutting out the insulator, mind the color cables that are inside the insulator. Now you cut out your insulator separator. You cut out the insulator separator. Cut it out. Then you arrange your cables according to their color code. Arrange the cables according to their color code and performance. Stripe orange, orange. Stripe green, blue, followed by your blue. Stripe blue, followed by your green. Stripe brown, followed by the brown color. Use your hand to arrange it so that the cable will be straight. Arrange it very well. You can see. Make sure it is straight. Then use your crimping tool to cut out the edge or the tip of the cable. You can see it's very straight now. Then insert your connector. Insert your connector. Insert your connector and make sure the connector is well inside. If not, your cable won't work. It won't work, or it won't be transmitting data, Make sure it is well arranged according to their color code. Make sure it is well arranged according to their color codes. See that? Yeah, our cable is all set. Now let's test. Where is our LAN tester to test our cable if what we do is actually correct or not? You switch on. Your LAN tester is on. Then you plug in your cable this way. Then you plug it at the other end this way. Good. All done. As you can see, our cable is well crimped and the reading is actually correct. So our cable is all set to be used. Now this is the easy way you can crimp your cable, and the very fast way you can crimp your cable. You don't need any too much logic or much explanation on how you can crimp a Cat6 network cable. It's very simple and very fast. Now please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials on IT world, for web design, coding, WordPress, graphic design. We did so many things, so many tutorials on basically on IT, on how to install a Wi-Fi, networking. It's all about IT. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. On my next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you people how you can use an intercom cable, that is a 2-pair or 4-pair intercom cable, in replace of a Cat6 network cable that